Subscribe my channel to support me. In this video, I will replace my regular phone battery using this battery. Of course, we will need another equipment to support this battery. We will using battery management system like this. We must use battery management system or BMS from the original phone battery. And the last is battery holder. I solder the positive and negative pin from battery management system to the battery holder, and I will test if this battery management system works properly. It worked. So now, let's test using the phone. I will use this bamboo stick that I cut the same length with the battery phone. It will use to support the BMS, so we connected to the battery port on the phone. Well, it worked, but I forget to put my SIM card. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. See you next time.